How to update payment method on Make.com. Welcome back to Wake&Tech. You can update your billing or payment method anytime from your organization in Make.com, so here is how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser and type in Make.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Make.com account by entering your account's correct credentials. After you're logged into the homepage or the dashboard of Make.com, go ahead and make sure that you've selected the correct organization and go to the upper right corner. Right next to the organization settings button, you'll see the three dots. Click on that and you'll see this add payment method option. Just click on that as well. Now on the next page, click the add payment method button and then select your payment method you want to link to Make.com with. Depending on your region, Make.com will support some of the payment methods out there. The one that supports in your region will be displayed underneath. Just make sure to choose any one option. I'm just going to select the credit or debit card option. You can also choose any other option that you feel comfortable with and that you have access to, and make sure to fill in the rest of the information correctly. Since I've selected credit/debit card option, I'm just going to click on add payment method and it'll take you to this page where you need to enter your details. Go ahead and enter your payment info. For example, if you've selected the card option, then you'll need to go ahead and enter your card number, its expiry date, the CVC code, full name on the card, and then your correct country or region. I am not going to fill in this info section because of privacy reasons, but whenever you are entering your info, just make sure you have the correct info. Fill it in one by one in the correct order and click on save. Once you save it, Make.com will display a confirmation notification and all your future subscription payment will use the updated payment method. So that is how you can easily add a payment method on Make.com. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.